Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Machampions Digivolved, and we're coming back with another episode of the Pokemon Christmas Nuzlocke. And I went and talked to Bill. And what Bill is going to do for me is this. Okay. You guys will see. I started exploring the town a little bit, thinking, hey, maybe I can get a static mon. I was going to go back and head to one of the previous towns and just go and headbutt a tree in one of the previous towns that I didn't get an encounter in and pray that I get a mon. But instead, we're going to get rid of Jing for that. Yes, 100%. I wish I would have known this existed beforehand but this is good. This is good. I'm going to get myself a static mon. I did not even know that this existed in this game, but alright, he's going to give me an Eevee. I'm stoked about that because I'm going to go over to the mart and I'm going to buy a Firestone. And we are going to get a Flareon. And we are going to nickname it. Well, we nicknamed it in the Pokemon Go Nuzlocke. And it's not going to fit. We'll name it Transform. I named Eevee in the Pokemon Go Nuzlocke Transformer. We could have got a level 20 mon. I can't even with this nonsense. Okay. Now, I know that we can get Glaceon, as you can see. No, not that then. Sunstone? No. Well, Waterstone will work. Leafstone? We can't get Leafeon. I know Glaceon is in this game. How to get it is beyond me, but I'm not concerned about that because I don't want a Glaceon and we can't use a Glaceon right now. We need to get our hands on what floor is it? This floor? Let's see. Nope. Which means that they're all the way up top, aren't they? They're not. Okay. We can get a Moonstone, a Hardstone, powers up rock moves. Sunstone. We are gonna go. We have to do this. This is the only way that we are going to progress through this game. So, Eevee is evolving. And we got ourselves a Flareon. Not my favorite evolution. My favorite evolution is Jolteon. But what's going to happen next is I'm going to be able to do this. So we're going to get rid of Tail Whip. And we are going to learn Flame Ball. Ah, that's good stuff. That's good stuff. I like the little twist that the developer did with this hack, where they you know, change up some of the things that you need to do, like the little ice rocks in the path instead of the pseudo-wudo. Normally it would be a pseudo-wudo, but they're these little ice rock thingies. But what I'm going to do before that is I want to head up through here, because up through here and in this grass up here is Hoot-Hoots. Now, Hoot-Hoot is going to be good fodder for Mareep. Okay. Lamb Chop it is. We're going to Thunder Shock. We get outsped by the Hoot-Hoot. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, we resist that. Come on, my dude. There it goes. Level 11. Perfect. So we're gonna train up a few more Hoot-Hoots in the grass, and this way, level 14. Yeah, we're gonna resist that. That's fine. I'm okay with that. Tackle, however, we held up pretty good. He's gonna growl us, but we are a super attacker. All evolutions and dragons are special attackers. So we're gonna take that thing down. Look at that. Oh, nice. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Beautiful! What we like to see. Like I said, this stuff's gonna make just good fodder for training up Lamb Chop here. Foresight. Okay. You identified me. Congratulations. We have been identified. And we have been growled. Okay. Level 12. That's good stuff right there. I'm not going to bore you guys with all this training, though. I just want to get some experience onto Lamb Chop really quickly. And this is absolutely the best way to do it. The easiest, fastest way to do it is to just train up. And we paralyzed it. Good. Like I did with, like when we caught Pidgey, and I trained it up in Ilex Forest because it was going to be super effective on everything. And when we trained up Crocodile in Asui in the cave because it was going to be super effective on everybody. Okay. It's a block of ice. We want to use Flame Ball. Yes. Okay. What do we got? Now, I think this is a new route. Not 100% certain, though. And it's back already? Goodness gracious. Alright, Ruins of Alph North entrance. Okay, so we've been here before. Route 36. Yep. Okay. So we've already been here. This is Azalea Town, I believe. So we gotta go back this way, and we gotta go north. So I'm almost thinking that this is still Route 36. I'm not certain though. But let's get ourselves some experience. Jack and I take Pokemon seriously. Well, it's a serious thing. Send out a furret. It is a furry furret. Alright, Lamb Chop cannot handle that. We are going to swap out to Pidgeotto. Because we got nothing else. Defense curl. Great. Our already garbage attack's gonna become more garbage. That's okay. And it heals with a berry. Awesome. Awesome, dude. Awesome, dude. Okay. Quick attacked again. That's fine. Alright, we get taken down. Lamb Chop growing to level 13. About to use a Pseudo-Wudo. No, I'm gonna stay in. Come on. Why? Why a Pseudo-Wudo? Mimic. That's fine. Okay. Learn Mud Slap. It doesn't affect me. Ah, crap. This is so scary. So scary. Why is it all stuff that is super effective against me? It's super effective against every single one of my mons. And I'm not going to risk sending out one of the lower level ones because it's just going to die. That's gonna hurt. Oh, pest. Well, we survived. Barely. Jack and Diane? Really? Little ditty? Pokemon can't do a thing if they are asleep. I'll show you how scary that is. Of course you will. Psychic trainer, huh? Drowsy. Die, Lamb Chop. Come on out, Pidgeotto. Good shoot. Past. Bitter berries for confusion. Of course it is. Okay. Swap out the transform. Disable, okay. We'll try out this flame ball attack. Which is the fire blast animation. Yup. Hit that man with a fire blast. Oh, come on. Oh. Wake up. Nope. Dream Eater! Come on, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up! Finally! Ugh. Alright, Route 37. What do we get? Dupes! Dupes! Calling dupes. I'm invoking the dupes clause. We've been identified. That's fine. Alright. Thank you, Lamb Chop, you machine. Alright, what else do we got? Another hoo-hoo. Dupes again. Level 15 this time. Okay, let's take this man out right here. Bye-bye. Level 14 for Lamb Chop. We'll try one more and then we'll move on to another grass patch. And dupes again. Alright, moving on. How does he spell? Oh, that's right. Lamb Chop is slower than all get out. He is Snorlax slow right now. Alright, taking it down, taking it down. And there's no other patch of grass. Wait. No, we're an Ekrutique. The mystical seer of the future. Where's the Pokemon Center? We gotta get... What are you doing? Hi, Machamp. I figured I could find you in here. I have something for you that came from Sinnoh. You can use it to evolve an Eevee into a Glaceon. It will say not able, but use it anyway. And I think that's the thing right there. Nice shard. We couldn't progress in the game if we didn't evolve Eevee into Flareon. Maybe we can get more than one Eevee. That would be pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I'd like that a lot. I'd be okay with that. I would not complain. I could promise you this. Would not complain. Okay, so we can get one encounter in Ecruteak City. So we can fish. Alright, we got a Stantler. That is our encounter. Wow. I think we're going to need to swap out right here. Hypnosis. Okay. Leer. You know, Tackle has like 85% accuracy, right? And you're down 4 stages. Alright, one more. We're going to start chucking Pokeballs at it. Alright. Critical hit in the red. And he misses. What gender is he? Ah, he's a male. Alright. I never bought any Great Balls, so we're going to try this with regular Pokeballs. 2, 3. Nah. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Broke. Okay. You're gonna hypnotize me. You're awesome, dude. Okay. And he broke. Flareon's a male. Lamb Chop's a female. Okay. We're gonna do this. Because I want to swap out to Lamb Chop. Oh, golly. I want to swap out to Lamb Chop because I want to be able to use the Love Balls. Alright, he missed. Let's go ahead and toss a Love Ball at it. 1, 2, 2. Alright, last Love Ball. 1, 2, 3. Hey, we got it! Oh, thank goodness. I can replace some of my trash mons. Okay. So we got Stantler. Yes. It is Christmas time. And it is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I hope I spelled that right. Okay, we need to get to a Pokemon Center again. Now, this is where the burnt tower is, and the, whatchamacallits, the dancers, the evolution trainers. So we are going to get rid of who can learn psychic type moves though. He'll learn confusion eventually. She will learn confusion. Ogre's poison. Poison really doesn't do anything in this game. But we got Rudolph. Let's get Rudolph out. Okay. At least Rudolph is level 15. Tackle, Leer, and Hypnosis. Okay. Yeah, the dance theater's here. Okay. And I've got to fight all of the evolutions. So, Dark type's going to be a pain. Psychic type's going to be a pain. Jolteon's going to be a pain. Flareon's now going to be a pain because all my water types just got absolutely annihilated. Alright. Well, I think I'm going to leave it off here. If you guys liked the episode, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Do not forget to comment down below and subscribe to the channel. You guys go out there and be Machampions, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.